this paste. It's biodegradable, non-toxic, basically no smell. I wear gloves just because I hate having my hands wet all day and my hands get all dried, cracked out. I'm going to apply some to the glass. Work it in a little bit. And we'll apply some to the pad. Don't have to push that hard, just nice even pressure. Clearly that does a good job. A lot of these spots are actually on the outside of the glass. But we'll just continue on. These inside corners, we use a white pad. And that's how we get these inside corners. And then we're going to seal this glass with a product called NV Coat and make it so that this won't ever happen again. Thanks for watching.